The recovery was pretty incredible. I basically was back on my feet within a few days. I would say my pain level was a 1 out of 10. So it was actually very surprisingly pleasant. And then within a week, actually less than a week, I was on a plane in public and flying 12 hours. So I'm very pleased with my recovery. I definitely think that it's cleaned up my face a lot, and it's still me. It's not, I'm not a carbon copy of someone else. I definitely think that it's just my features are enhanced. I definitely think that there is a lot of artistry that goes into plastic surgery, and that was one of the biggest things in me deciding on a surgeon, because I've been to other surgeons for consultations, and I know that a lot of surgeons just have a standard style. I think the artistry comes when you're able to customize features to someone else's face and to enhance their other features, not just what you're focusing on.